Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit for Toyota Camry 2021 to 23. Okay. It comes with two harnesses. The two harnesses will come with head unit, and you can check this one. And another one. Okay. Let me show head unit. You can check the Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi, and it's bright. And then you can choose HAMA car launcher always. And this logo, time. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. It's Belsee, and you can choose a Toyota. Okay, change this SIM color on this panel. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, let me choose back Belsee. Apps are here. It's built in the Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is our website, belsee.com, belsee.com. It's latest head unit. Okay. And the instructions already built in the user menu. Built in the Play Store and Google Maps. Google Map navigation, and let me check the built-in YouTube. It's Android version, it's Android 12. And let me check the display. Reset all data setting, and the display there has total 8 theme style. Okay. And this button lights. Let me choose blue. Theme style. About device, you can check this Android version 12 and DDR 8GB 128GB. This factory setting password. Please set this break with 0. If not, you can't watch video. boot logo and other settings here, and save the header unit will be saved settings. Storage total 128 GB. Memory 8 GB. Okay. Sleep mode. You can choose the always. This is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This is Bluetooth. Click search. Okay, your phone will get message. Please click pair. It shows connect Bluetooth icon and connected. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call. You can stream music from your phone. Okay, work with Bluetooth. This radio. You can connect the radio antenna, search the radio stations. Music. DSP amplifier. Sub out. DSP amplifier. It will show the music on here. And you can play video. There is no video but you can try the video in the storage or USB. There are two USB cable. Okay. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. This is our latest header unit. Okay, that's all. Thank you. If you want to stay this on, you can set it on the settings and choose the home screen. You can choose AJM calendar. When you back to home, it will show the home screen. It's home, it's volume. It's off the screen. Okay, and you can try back to home. Okay, that's all. Thank you.